Good morning, guys. Hello. Today is the first vlog here in our home. Yes, I can't believe it. So it is 8:28. Actually, I already woke up since 7 in the morning, but yeah. Now I'll show you what I'm doing. It's Our house is a mess right now because all the furniture are no, not all the furniture, but some furniture are coming today, and then we have a lot of things to do. And tomorrow we're gonna have a party here. So yeah, I'm just making right now. I'll show you. So I'm just making a tea right now, boiling the water. Um, this is our favorite spice latte, chai latte. Our favorite. And last night too, I sealed the counter. This is a crate. Um, this. So I sealed them, and I think I finished like almost 1:30 in the morning. So yeah, I sealed this. So I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit maybe today. Oh, sorry. So yeah, so my chai tea is done. Let me put my okay. Chai tea is done. Let's make some tea. Ignore the lemons because I use that to clean this kettle. This kettle is new, so I have to boil water in, you know that thing. Okay. I think I put too much water. Okay, guys, so I will, sorry, bring my chai tea upstairs for my husband um, because he's working right now in our master's bedroom. Um, his office is not done. Sorry, the lighting here is bad. His office is not done. Sorry, I'm not used to this camera. This setup temporary here. Okay, it's time for me to sit and have a chai tea, have a break, and I think I will do wrap some gift because tomorrow's Christmas already. So yeah, that's a plan for today. But I have to take a little bit, a little bit break and sit down because oh my God, last night it's too much. We move our bed, we move my husband's desk, we have internet already, thank goodness, and a lot of stuff last night. So yeah, tea. It's time to wrap some gift. Yep, that's one of my goal for today. Wrap some gift. I'll be back when everything is done. Yay, our fridge is here. Our fridge is here. This house is almost furnished. Thank God. It's perfect for Christmas. Tomorrow. Oh my G. Tonight is Christmas Eve and I forgot to cook food for me and Josh. But I cook food for my friend. She ordered the pork belly and I forgot mine. But the cookies is I'll give it to her because it's Christmas. So maybe I'm gonna ask my husband later to grab me some fried tilapia for Christmas Eve. But my husband's not gonna eat that, only me. Maybe we're gonna have Chinese food tonight, so I forgot. We're not used to cooking because it's usually just me and Josh. So yeah. Oh well. I'll be back. Okay, I'm done wrapping the gift. finally. And it's Christmas Eve, so it means we are opening our gift for each other. So I don't have a gift for him. Sorry.
Oh.
Just kidding. Sorry, this is my humble gift. It's so small. I'm so sorry. I don't have time to go anywhere. Our dining table is still not what is this, up yet, because we are missing some what is that, Sawa?
Missing parts.
Missing parts, yeah. And our dog is eating bones in there. I'm busy.
Ooh, let's see. Ooh. The Monk. Fable about who sold fulfilling your dreams. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. A fable about fulfilling your dreams and reaching your destiny. The title's laid out a little funny, but that sounds really cool.
I'm sorry.
This inspiring tale provides a step-by-step approach to living with greater courage, balance, abundance, and joy. A wonderfully crafted fable. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari tells the extraordinary story of Julian Mantle, a lawyer forced to confront the spiritual crisis of his out-of-balance life. On a life-changing odyssey to an ancient culture, he discovers powerful, wise, and practical lessons. It goes on a little bit more, but I think we'll roll with that. That sounds really cool. We totally read this.
You like it?
I do.
I'm sorry. That's all I got for
Hey,
you.
you know, I'm getting more into books again, so it fits. All right, now for your gift. Let's see. What could it be? I wonder.
Did you get this? The wrapper?
Mom.
Oh. Did you just wrap it tonight?
Maybe.
I was like Amazon. Oh, I don't have a cut though. Do I need to cut?
We probably do. Let's get that opened.
Okay.
Now that we got a knife,
How will I open this?
we will soon solve the enigma of how to open a
The
box.
other side.
Oh, snap.
Then I'm gonna break something.
Maybe.
Hope not.
Hope you don't break anything.
Ow! Dang it.
Don't get too many splinters.
No, you're not.
I don't know, did I?
Then, oh my! You said you didn't get it yet. Oh, thank you, love. A MacBook Pro.
Ooh, girl.
Yeah.
Hey.
My first MacBook. Oh, my first Apple, actually. Because we're Samsung, girl. Just kidding. Thank you, love.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
That's the new 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip.
Well, I don't know how to
Super
use
power.
that, so thank you.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up, my Christmas gift. Thank you, Santa Josh. My MacBook Pro 2020, right? You said?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh. Horror. Ooh. Oh, it's very light. I don't think I have a laptop before, like this small, but no, smaller than this, an HP laptop. And someone it's got stolen in Korea. Oh my god, this is small. Oh, I don't know how to open this.
Other side.
Other side, sorry. Never. Never had a MacBook. An apple with a bite.
Ooh. Oh dang.
Okay.
Let's see what
so-
else we got.
Okay.
To learn how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
What?
Some papers that no one reads. And a charger.
Ooh.
Ooh, a charger. It looks like the Samsung charger because it's like white.
Yeah.
And,
Type C.
Oh really? And then of course the thingy for the wall charger. And that's it. No more.
Dang.
No more.
Real simple.
And that's
clean.
my gift for 2020. Just kidding. I already told my husband, like, he don't need to give me a gift this one because we already got a house. But hey, Santa is so good this year. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye. Mwah.